How to fix Shazam for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall Shazam from Mac. #bin/bash #stop the Shazam application osascript quit app Shazam #remove the Shazam application and its associated file sudo rmrf/application/Shazam.app
rmrf/library/Shazam/com.shazam.mac.Shazam.mac.Shazam.binarycookies rmrf/library/group /container/group.com/Shazam.mac/ rmrf/library/preferences/com.shazam.mac.Shazam.plist. Echo Shazam has been uninstalled from your Mac. To use the script, simply copy and paste it into a text editor and save it with a .sh file extension, e.g. uninstall_shazam.sh. Then open Terminal on your Mac and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. Finally, run the script by typing /uninstall_shazam.sh without the quotes, and pressing enter. This will execute the script and uninstall Shazam from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.